Alright guys, so we haven't been able to use our pellet grill for a while. It's been throwing an error code. So I suspect that it's probably the temperature probe. And so we're kind of digging around in here, and it is roasted. Like, it looks pretty bad. So I don't know if that's normal, or if I just need to replace it, or if I can clean it off. But we're just gonna take this out. It's pretty simple to take out. So you just take this off, disconnect all the wires, and then you get in here and this just slips out. Got two screws right here that you pop out, and then you got this cord right here, this silver cord. It should come out of that hole right there. So the worst part's probably gonna be trying to get to this. I'm gonna have to get a little screwdriver because this just ain't working. Hey, can you go get a little Phillips head screwdriver? Yeah, it's just like the shortest handle you can find, okay? So I was gonna take it out to clean, but honestly, when you take that shield off, you can pretty much get to it. This looks kind of weird, I'm sorry. But you can pretty well get to it from here. So if you just need to clean it, I think you can pretty well clean it from here. And then put everything back and then try it. But if you do have to replace it, you're gonna have to get these screws out, which I'm gonna do here in a second. If it doesn't work, and then you see the hole right there, it just pops back into that. And then you just pop the new one in and reconnect, and then put everything back together. Super simple fix. All right, so we're still getting the code here. So we know that cleaning it didn't work. So the next step is to replace it, and hopefully that will be the issue. So I will have to take these screws out all the way, and it should pop right out. So I was wrong, it doesn't come out that way, it actually comes out this way. But just run it through there. And so just do it the opposite way I said. But I got that out, that's the piece, that's what it looks like.
That's the thermospike. Yep,
this is the thermocoupling, or whatever you want to call it. It kind of looks like a thermocoupling from a fireplace or something, but it's just for a grill. Just takes account of the temperature, and I think it just got burned up. So we're just gonna buy another one of those and run it through and connect it, and we'll see if that works. They're about $8 on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. So we replaced the temperature sensor. As you can see, there's a new one in there now, and that was the problem. So we turned everything off, we hooked everything back up, put everything back on, and no error code. So if you have an error code, one thing that you want to definitely check for is the temperature probe there. My son's gonna cook a hot dog in our newly improved and fixed what's wrong with you? Grill's back up and running again, and so now we can smoke and grill and do all that other stuff. And hopefully that was cut clean and dry for you guys that have problems with your grill with an error code. That's one of the first things that I would probably try, especially if you got it up really hot. A lot of times that will burn that out real bad. So